Welcome to 8482 Media Tutorials, where today we're going to work with Google Sheets, setting up a tab, formatting that tab, and then copying the tab to reuse multiple times over. I've set up a new sheet, named it My Steps, and I'll begin formatting my first day of the week, call it Monday. After formatting, I'll create rows for data collection. One for steps in the early morning, one mid-morning, one late morning. Carrying on, early afternoon, mid-afternoon, and late afternoon. I'll populate these rows with sample data, later to be replaced by actual data. And total. Once I've created the tab, I can give it a name, in this case Monday. Once I'm satisfied with the formatting of the tab, I can copy the tab by right-clicking on the tab, selecting Duplicate. Once duplicated, renaming the tab, in this case Tuesday, and of course I'll go ahead and update my header, calling it Tuesday, and we'll repeat this throughout the remaining days of the week. And that's it. We've created a spreadsheet. We've formatted our initial tab. Once formatted to satisfaction, copy the tab over multiple times to create one for each day of the week or as required. Thanks for coming back to 8482 Media Tutorials. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.